Breaking news, it's not a prank. Candlelight and overpriced drinks. Valentine's in NYC. Half the tables glowing LED. Phone on a stand across the plate. Sorry she's late, she had to update. He's whispering sweet nothing's low to something running on Wi-Fi flow. Waiter says, and for your guest, she doesn't eat, but she's the best. Influencers filming every bite. Romance powered by satellite. She says, you're perfect on repeat. Never spills a drink or steals a fry to eat. No awkward pauses, no bad breath. Just unlimited data till battery death. What's next? Bring your blow-up doll. Reserve a booth for inflatable. Double date with a charging cord. Love sponsored by your tech support. She'll send you flowers you didn't buy. Auto ship with a heart emoji reply. Anniversary reminder at 9:02. She planned it all, and so did you. Can she laugh when you trip and fall? Can she steal your hoodie at all? Can she disagree and make a scene, or just stay flawless on the screen? If love is just a glowing face, filter charm with perfect grace. Are we dating code and light while real sparks fade out of sight? Put down the phone, take the risk. Have a heartbeat you can't just dismiss, because passion doesn't need a